guys, welcome to Scribbles from Emily. Today I've got a special project to show you since I have finished making over Bennett's boho gender neutral nursery. For this project I was working with a $0 budget. I wanted to spend no money at all and just reuse things that we already had, things that I could repurpose, and just some creative DIY projects. I gave myself 1 month to complete the whole makeover, and this is that process. So it all started before we moved into our house this summer with painting over the paneling. The paneling had been painted before, so it was this kind of brownish beige kind of color that I was not a very big fan of. So painting was the first step, but then we kind of didn't do anything else with his room until now. So it was basically just this white box. We have Edison's tent in here. Then this dresser, that was Edison's when he was a baby. There's a laundry basket. This rug was just a little Cars rug of Edison's, and I didn't know what else to put on the floor. I'm not even going to show you the closet because it's a little too embarrassing, but most of the things are the same things we used in Edison's room when he was little, so they have a little bit of a nautical theme. But I really wanted to go gender neutral in case we do someday add some more children to our family. These shelves were actually already in our house when we bought the house. They were just in a different room. So I'm installing them over here, and that should allow us some space to put some books and some boho decor. It was quite the process installing these. I figured out I actually installed the rails backwards, so I had to take them down and start over. Yeah, that was fun. But at least I had 2 cute little helpers. Showed you in my last video how I made this drop cloth wall hanging and this crib sheet. So here is our final room. I actually filmed this in 2 different segments, so you'll see I mixed up some of the pillows and changed things around. And here's our shelves. Basically, I just switched the TV and the rocking chair, and it made such a difference. The only thing missing from Bennett's boho nursery is macrame, which I thought about buying some off of Amazon, which I can link down below, but I'm thinking about trying to make my own. So vote in the poll that I'll post up above if you think his room could use some macrame to make it a little bit more boho, and let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a tutorial once I attempt it. And then here we've got our tent, toys, fuzzy pillows, Bennett's blankie. Here's a crib sheet that I made, and our wall hanging. This cloud mobile is a DIY project too, that I can link to down below. We've got this table with books next to our chair, the rug. This was a $5 find on Facebook Marketplace. This is also a Facebook Marketplace find, but it was a lot more than $5. I originally bought it for the living room, but ended up moving it up here since it was too small for down there. We got our rocking chair. This is from Amazon. These curtains I bought at the consignment store. This dresser was a curbside find that I painted before Edison was born. And there is my yarn fiber art rainbow. And then this mirror was here in the house when we bought it. We just moved it over to this location. And the laundry basket's from IKEA. This woven trash can wastebasket was here in the house too when we bought it. And I love that the warm wood tones match this end table, which is also here in the house, and it has storage inside of it, which is good for diapers or off-season stuff. So, Bennett, what you doing? Oh no. And then this is the closet, which has my giant pregnancy pillow stuff down there. And then some diapers, wipes, pack and play, clothes, more diaper stuff, and some other random stuff. There. So that is Bennett's room. Hey, he's supposed to be taking a nap.
No, I'm in the picture.